Hey everyone, by the end of this video, you will know how to set up and install the Integromat Developer Tools. My name is Dominik Lehnert. Let's get right into it. So you might have heard of the Integromat Developer Tools, and you're currently trying to figure out how you can install them and how you can set them up in your Integromat account. So to install the Integromat Developer Tools, you want to go over to the Chrome Web Store. So you have to use the Chrome browser because the Integromat Developer Tools are a browser extension for your Chrome browser. And you want to go over to the Chrome Web Store. You can either search for the extension. Integromat Dev Tool is the name of the extension. And I will also put the link down below in the description, so you can just click the link. So you just go to this link and it will show you to the Integromat Developer Tool. All you have to do now is add to Chrome, add extension, and now it's going to install the extension. That's it. Now, if we go over to Integromat, if you now want to actually use the extensions, then you have, or this extension, then you have to, if you're using a Windows, if you're using a PC, you have to now press the keys Control-Shift-I, or you can press the F12 key. And if you're using a Mac, you want to now press Command-Option-I. And what you will now see is the developer tools for the Chrome web browser. And you can see we have different things. We can inspect all the elements. We have the console, etc., etc. And if you go to the very right, you see that you have Integromat here as a new tab. So let's pull that all the way to the left. And if you look at Integromat, you see you have three different sections. You have the live stream, the scenario debugger, and the tools. The live stream kind of shows you everything when the scenario is running. It kind of shows you everything that's going on in the background that you don't see up here. The scenario debugger allows you to go into detail, especially if you have really complex scenarios. It's a lot of help. And the tool section is just a bunch of different tools. If you want to know more about the specific sections here, I've also put out videos on those. But this is basically how you install the Integromat Developer Tools. You just go over to the Chrome Web Store, link is below, add it to your Chrome. And then once you go back to Integromat, you press for Windows, Control-Shift-I, and for Mac, Command-Option-I, and then you have the developer tools all set up. If you want to know more about the details, you can watch the other videos as well. If you find these videos helpful and you want to help me make these videos and stay caffeinated doing these videos, you can buy me a coffee below. Also, if you want to discuss a specific scenario you're working on and you're stuck on, or you are looking for someone to build scenarios for you, to build automations for you, I'm also available for that. You can also buy me a coffee below. That allows me to set aside some time on my calendar, and then we can get on a Zoom call. My name is Dominik Lehnert. Take care and goodbye.